4 Kashmiri girls studying in a Punjab university have developed a new Android application that helps them access their college curricula while they're away on vacation. Why did they do so? Let's have a look.
Meet Rumaisa, Zeenat, Sadia and Yusra. All BTech students of Aryan's College of Engineering in Banur near Patiala, and together they've developed the Aryan Android app, which aims to make their campus paper-free.
As you know, in every college there are notice boards, and notice boards are always jumbled. These are the more jumbled places in the college. So during that time, looking towards the notice boards, a lot of time of ours gets wasted. We miss our lectures, we miss the precious time which is important for us. So as we develop this Android application, we don't need to go to the notice boards and paper, as which we can save trees in that way also. So this app just gives us all the possible notification which were just put it on the notice board.
Coming from the Kashmir Valley, the 4 girls, like many others, were frustrated by the ban on SMS services in Jammu and Kashmir. Unable to receive their college curriculum and timetables at home during the holiday period, the young girls decided to take matters into their own inspiring hands.
You know, we get cut off from the college, from other states as well when we just enter the J&K state. The basic idea was that we should be in touch with the college, we should get the notifications, we should get the date sheets, all such possible things which are happening in the college that should reach to us in the same course of time as we get aware.
With limited experience, the girls took less than 2 months to create the app, because with the full backing of their college, nothing seemed impossible.
टेक्निकली इसमें बेसिकली प्रोग्रामिंग इज़ द बेस बिकॉज जो कुछ भी करेंगे अगर तो बेसिकली उसमें जो मेन था वो थी प्रोग्रामिंग. तो ये जो बच्चे हैं इन लोगों के फर्स्ट ईयर में प्रोग्रामिंग होती है, तो उसमें इनका बेस क्लियर था. तो इस वजह से मुझे डाउट नहीं था कि नहीं कर पाएंगे, इनका प्रोग्रामिंग क्लियर थी.
The app can now be downloaded from Google Play and is already receiving positive feedback from users. There's no stopping good news when you app your mind to it. With Manaman Singh China in Banur, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.